Hello, my name is Ishan Arora and I'm going to represent my first sprint presentation here. And first of all, I would like to introduce my other team members who are working on this. So, myself, Ishan Arora, Pawanpreet, Harmandeep Singh, and Mohit Rana. We are the four team members who are working for the Gorilla Jobs, and our project is to develop a Chrome plugin for Gorilla Job recruitment software. So, what is Gorilla Job? First of all, as I may, as I already been discussed, we already been discussed in our roadmap and the user stories that the Gorilla Jobs is a company, recruitment company, which is using a software, and they want us to make a some particular platform on where they can use their all the applications without login again and again. So in our first sprint, basically we are just we made a login screen with the Chrome extension, and that was of the whole project. And this is what introduction of the first sprint. So so this document will be helpful to keep a check on the whole project work, which also includes a graphical information. As we in the below, you can see that we have been attached so many screenshots progress of the working. And if we talk about the sprint one deliverables, so according to our work breakdown structure mentioned in project roadmap with the three stages of the sprint, and our sprint start date is April 12th, and we completed it on April 23rd. And team expectations and accomplishments. So client want us to create a base of the project. Base means on which all the project will be stand. So this is the very first and most important and the major task that we're gonna complete in the that we completed in the sprint one, and that is create a login screen. So this has been done in this sprint. Design the layout of the login screen of plugin, done. Writing code for the login screen, that is already done. So this is 5 days, but we completed in the 10 working days because highly coding. And as a project manager, my role is to in the as per in the last not the last sprint but in the last part, as per client requirement with proper discussion. The Chrome extensions were made by using all the client's resources and it's working fine. And since the duty of the project manager is to understand the requirements of the client and as illusions, so that the I was the person who was communicating with the client and taking the all the requirements and divided the tasks to the teammates, what developer need to do, what tester need to do. That's all my job. And communication was a major problem in the team as well. There were many challenges, especially when we were about to fix the meeting. So, but all was very good. It's experience with the fantastic teammates. So these are the screenshot of the projects that have been we made. So this is the design with the logo OTP screen. Logo, the OTP will generate it, and once we'll open any, so this is the main part. So once we will open any, once we'll open any Gmail, our Gmail, then this screen, login screen that we have been made will pop up. So that's the main. So this is the coding we have been done. HTML code, CSS, and all that coding part has been done. So this in the conclusions, things that client have decided, and the first sprint respected, client is very satisfied. In short, a slot, and these are its signatures, and this is the main and special part. Very satisfactory. We got the highest rating by the client and by the supervisor both, because this was a very fantastic work done by all the teammates, especially from the development side. So this is all from the project. I'll demo how this will work. So we'll go to the Gmail, and once we'll open any Gmail, let's pause this and look at that. So this screen is login screen is coming up from this extension. So this is what we have been made with that code we have achieved. Yeah. So let's pause. Yeah. Any mail. If you open any mail, it will pop up like this. Now in the next sprint, we're gonna work on adding the functionals that login screens as per client requirements. So that's all from the sprint one. Thank you very much.